for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles east of South Milwaukee to near Wind Point, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, public. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Severe thunderstorms will move across the near shore and open waters of Lake Michigan.